Leave the machine idle without running to allow the compressor oil to settle after the shaking of the cooler during transit unloading or unpacking. Keep a minimum 8 inches away from the back and side walls. Don't place the cooler under direct sunlight. Don't keep anything in front of the grills as it would block the airflow, reduce the cooling efficiency, and increase the power consumption. Run the cooler for 1 hour and load the products. This improves the cooling efficiency. The cooler is equipped with inbuilt automatic cutoff temperature controller. The compressor turns off after the desired temperature is achieved, which saves energy. You can turn the temperature controller knob in this manner to adjust the temperature. Don't clean the machine inside or outside with any acid or corrosive material. Lukewarm water and soft cloth can be used for cleaning. In case of any complaint with the product, contact Rockwell Customer Care on the following numbers. Contact Rockwell Customer Care at 739-608-2323 or 1-860-208-2323 for annual preventive maintenance or warranty extension. Do not get any local or unauthorized technician to open the product, as this will make the warranty void.